In May 2012, the aviation world was shocked when the Sukhoi Superjet 100, a symbol of modern engineering, crashed into the treacherous slopes of Gunung Salak in Indonesia. This demonstration flight was supposed to showcase the aircraft's cutting-edge capabilities, but at 6,000 feet, disaster struck. Gunung Salak, known for its unpredictable weather and dense terrain, has claimed many flights before. The question remains, was it human error, technical failure, or the mountain's infamous reputation that sealed the fate of the Superjet? In the wreckage, 45 lives were lost, but the mystery endures. The crash left behind not just debris, but questions that linger to this day.